Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this fantastic Mercedes-Benz A Class 1.8 A200 CDI Sport. Now this vehicle has currently done 44,449 miles and it's finished in the colour Polar Silver. It does come with 8 previous services. It's been well maintained over the low mileage it's covered. It does sit nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. In the boot you'll find 341 litres of space, which can be increased to 1,157 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you have your gorgeous black leather interior. They are very sporty looking seats. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. You've got full electric adjustment with memory presets, so you can adjust and get comfortable with ease. On the steering wheel here you do have controls for adjusting the trip display in the instrument cluster. To the right, some controls for adjusting the infotainment system. On your display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to different driving data such as your fuel consumption. You also have navigation, audio, telephone, your driver assist features including your distance warning and attention assist. You can access service information as well as vehicle and system settings. At the top of the dashboard you'll find your infotainment screen. This is controlled using the dial and buttons here in the center console. On the system you've got access to FM and AM radio. There is also USB, auxiliary input, Bluetooth and a CD player for playing your own music. The system does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. Moving on now, on the telephone menu you can pair it with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. In your system menu you've got a clock and a graph for your trip information. Below you'll find some additional radio controls. You also have heated front seats, your eco button as well as your parking sensors. Down below you have your air conditioning, which is very easy to use. In the center console you do have some storage compartments. One holds a 12-volt socket as well. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.